Instructions for all your fuses is here. Let's see where the cigarette lighter looks like is this one. One way. Right. Yeah. Got another fuse, slightly different color, but it's 20 amp, so it's a correct rating. Don't put like 30 amp fuses in it. In the most awkward place. It's number 63. So we've got the 52 and 63 gone. They're both for separate. Hi, welcome back to Sanumotors. Today we've got 2015 Range Rover Sport and 2015, and then basically cigarette lighter is not working. Simple thing like that, but the fuse is blown. But on these vehicles the fuse box is behind the glove box, so that have to be removed first, you know, to get access to the fuses. And well, to open it you need a pair of grips of any sort, and up here you've got pins like a hinge pins on the, so you push them a bit. Up here you just grip it and pull it, and you just pull them out just like that. And you've got two of them obviously. There you go. You go like that way and like that way, with the rough patches sort of, I think, facing inside, with the sharp pointy bits pointing to the edges. So if you know what I mean, because we're putting them that way back, so the sharp points kind of help you to put them back in. And that's it. The fuse box is just there, but the instructions for all your fuses is here. Let's see where the cigarette lighter looks like is this one. F63 20 amp fuse. Let's pull it out. There's another one, but I think that's for the rear, and that's for the rear as well. So, oh, there's another one. So there's a few of them. Yeah, see, we'll just check all of them. You can see there the power supplies, all 20, 15 amp, 20 amp, 20 amp. This is a cigarette 20 amp. So we'll see which one is blown. I might get my tester and test. Saves me changing them. I'll just test them all first. I found the jump point, because the cigarette light is blown, so we can't really use that. Ooh. We can't really use that to piggyback off it, to connect the power probe to it. Nice. Well, let's hope it works. One way. Right, yeah, that works. And drag that across. Not live because the ignition is off. Let's have a look at it again. Looks like there's power coming this end, nothing coming out from there. So looks like 52 is definitely blown. Let's change that first. Long nose pliers. Hopefully they'll reach. If not, they'll get longer pliers. And there you go. We've got one blown fuse. See through it. Definitely blown. Probably won't see it like that, but yeah, it's definitely blown. Let's find another 20 amp fuse. Got another fuse, slightly different color, but it's 20 amp, so it's a correct rating. Don't put like 30 amp fuses in it, but because they just you're gonna create yourself problems. So I've changed this fuse. That one's slightly different color. That's 20 amp fuse. The inside one works here. What about the other one?
Other one still low. Maybe another fuse there.
Yeah, it must be another fuse. Yeah, it's not 3, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fuses. That's fine. So I've checked up to 52, 53, 54 and 55. They're all okay. And this one is a 63 also. Let's find 63 now. Oh yeah, that one's blown as well. So I've got 2 blown fuses. It's obviously using something wrong to plug into the holes. I won't be able to get this one. That one needs a longer pliers. Use the longer pliers with a bit of a bend on them, so it makes a bit of a easier to get to. Ah, there you go. Yeah, definitely blown as well. So not 1 but 2 blown fuses. That is our fuse that I've just changed. Oh, that one in the most awkward place. It's number 63. So we've got the 52 and 63 gone. They're both for separate power points. But now we can check it. Let's start the car up. And it's working now. That works. That works. Okay. There's the lovely Land Rover for you. They design. So even to change the cigarette light fuse, you can spend an hour. No wonder Land Rovers charge you an arm and a leg to do their jobs. But yeah, well, thanks for watching and good luck. Thank you. Bye.